Welcome to our comprehensive guide on preparing data for AI platform implementation. Today, we'll take you through each crucial step in the process, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to execute your AI projects successfully. First, we begin with understanding client goals. Define clear objectives and use cases such as predictive analytics or customer segmentation. This foundational step aligns your data needs with the desired business outcomes. Next, assess your data sources. Identify all relevant sources, whether they be ERP systems, CRM platforms, or IoT devices. It's essential to evaluate the formats and types of data, structured or unstructured, and understand the volume and update frequency. Once your sources are identified, ensure data accessibility by centralizing it into a data lake or warehouse. Set up API integrations and establish secure permissions to guarantee seamless and safe data access. Now, it's time to profile your data. Analyze it for completeness, consistency, accuracy, and redundancy. Utilize profiling tools to gain insights and address any potential issues early in the process. The next step is data cleaning and transformation. This involves removing duplicates, handling missing values, and standardizing formats. Address inconsistencies and apply necessary transformations like scaling and aggregation. Plan how you will maintain data integrity moving forward. Feature engineering follows. Select relevant attributes, create new features, and properly encode categorical data. This process is crucial for optimizing your data for AI models. Implementing governance and compliance is critical. Ensure your data handling meets privacy standards such as GDPR or HIPAA. Document all transformations using metadata catalogs to maintain transparency and accountability. Now, set up your data pipelines. Automate ETL or ELT processes for efficient batch or real-time data ingestion. Use tools like Apache Airflow or AWS Glue to ensure scalability and reliability. Before going live, validate and test your data. Perform thorough quality checks and validate outputs with sample data. Involve stakeholders to confirm that the data meets the established business requirements. Finally, monitor and maintain your data pipelines. Continuously check for data drift and quality issues. Regularly refine processes to align with evolving business needs and technological advancements. By following these steps, you will not only prepare your data effectively, but also instill confidence in your AI implementations. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide empowers you to tackle your AI projects with assurance and precision. If you need help, please feel free to reach out.